you. This is a roll and lock M series bed cover on a GMC Sierra. It's a nice retractable bed cover with a vinyl top. Looks nice, nice material, heavy duty aluminum. All you gotta do is slide the cover back. There's a nice pull strap design so you don't have to walk up to the front in order to pull the cover back. It's got different locking points, 3 different ones along the bed. So with the heavy duty aluminum material, it's going to be secure. You just pull the strap back in order to lock the cover up. Close your tailgate. Boom, it's ready to go. Truck Access Plus, we carry many styles of bed covers, retractable, hard folding. Visit our website or visit our location in Phoenix, Arizona for same-day installation while you wait.